Hey guys, today I will show you how you can get Canva Pro for free. Firstly, open your browser and go to temp mail website. Here you can get temporary mail for 10 minutes, so just tap on that, complete the human verification captcha. After that you will see it's generating new email address. Once it generated the email address, go to on Canva website. Here you will see this interface, scroll down and tap on Get Canva for free, and here tap on Continue with email. Now here you have add email which you generated on temp mail website. Simply copy that mail and paste here, click on Continue. After that write any name for your account and tap on Create Account. Now here it will ask you for a code, just go to temp mail and scroll down here. You will see a code, just a code and write here and click on Continue. After that it will ask for what purpose you are using Canva. So select any one of them. In my case, I will choose student. Now it will ask where are you currently studying. So I'm gonna select university. And here it is, the first step is done. Now for the second step, go to your browser and search for Bingo Tingo. After that open the Bingo Tingo website. And here you will get a lot how-to tutorials. Simply scroll down until you find this how to get Canva and how to use Canva free guide. Just tap on this. After that scroll down and you will see free guide and wait for to complete countdown. After that click on download and here you will see this interface. Just click on get here and it will open Canva for you. That's how you can get Canva for free. That's it for today. Thank you for watching.